So grays are common, orange on top, white on the bottom. There's our old switch. Yeah, gray was common, orange on top, white on the bottom. Let's just double check that looks right, but it's worth double checking. Looks good. I give you this cute little ring. Okay, so hand on top. Auto on the bottom. Auto is white yellow, which means it goes there. Gray is the common of the switch, yep. And orange is supposed to go on hand. Okay. And let's see if I diagnose this correctly or if it's still good. There it is, that's good. Doesn't want to stay. Oh yeah, it's mechanically shot. The inside is all toast. Can't get it to stay in that position, just falls right out. Okay, so the switch is toast. Sump is good. They still need to change the pump. That's that.